I remember a patient of mine who was on 50 units of insulin, who went on a plant based diet after listening to my advice and lost 30 kilos of weight in 1 year's time, and managed to completely get off insulin and all her drugs and virtually became non diabetic. Her hypertension and asthma cleared up as well.
So I have had cancer patients reverse from stage 1 to stage 3, and I have had the diabetes reverse, 10 years of diabetes reverse in 1 month.
I can't name them, but there are plenty of them who've reversed comorbid conditions like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, and acne. And I've had magical stories with a child complaining that I've got this one pimple not going after taking every possible treatment that we have. So I asked her history, and she says, I need to gulp down 2 glasses of milk every single day in the morning before I brush my teeth also. And I cannot live without milk. There was a time when she had an exam and she forgot to consume that milk, the 2 glasses of milk. And she was shocked to see that the pimple had disappeared completely after years of treatment. So after that, she understood the connect what I had told her, and she came running to me. And she said, never again will I take it. I am very convinced now that this was what was keeping the acne up at it.
And then I had one patient who had come to me for epilepsy, and over time we were able to remove her epilepsy medicines which she was on since childhood.
I remember another patient whom I operated for an eye surgery. She was suffering from psoriasis since many years. And during the course of the surgery, I mentioned to her that stopping dairy might help. And I saw her a month later, and the psoriasis was completely gone. And then she then asked me why her skin specialist had not told her about this.
A patient of PCOS. She wanted to conceive. She went for artificial insemination. Thrice she failed. She was in a miserable state. She was ready to make changes in her diet along with her homeopathic treatment, and she conceived. No IVF, she conceived, and now her child is 2 years.
And the most astonishing results that I had once was I had one patient come to me with huge depression. And she came and sat here, and she was so bad that I had to stop my therapy session and just tell her that, okay, I'm having a workshop on healthy vegan. Why don't you come to that? Maybe it will help you. Because she was also having cholesterol and thyroid and everything. And she came to the session and she stopped coming to my consult sessions. And finally I called her up and asked her what happened. She's like, doctor, after I changed my diet plan, I'm feeling so healthy that my psychiatrist has removed all my antidepressants. This is the effect that food has on us.